This is the bench. I'm just sat on the bench here. It's beautiful. Enjoying the peace. A little bit windy, but the sun's out, so it's nice. I just kept taking that bit of nature. If you haven't been able to get out. My body of water as well. Nice little lake in the private park. Wonderful. So, how are you all doing? We're at Moseley Private Park. So I'm just sat at this bench, relaxing. It was going to be overcast all day and the sun's come out, thank goodness. Really need it at this time. So, if you'd like to join me, some light language, get some code from the sun. So, I have got some throat issues, so I'm going to be working with the Blu-ray today. So, throat chakra is all about speaking your truth, all that sort of thing, things that we haven't spoke about, throat and jaw issues, like pain in the jaw. So we'll work on the throat chakra today. So if you feel cold, you just say a long inhale and exhale, and that will help cleanse the throat. That'll be a nice finishing for the light language. So thank you for joining me today. Namaste, and I'll see you all soon.